With Celestron telescopes, there are several eyepiece and filter kits that are sold as accessories for the various models of instruments manufactured under this name brand. Observers of objects in orbit have different demands and expectations of the equipment they purchase. The ability to see their favorite objects through different filters and magnifications is always part of the decision-making process when it comes to picking a product. The greater capabilities the equipment has, the more freedom the operator is allowed to enjoy. Satisfaction is an instrumental element of astronomy. It helps cement the assurance that the investment in the equipment and accessories was wise and worthwhile. Instruments with limited abilities in the optics department hamper the possibilities of interstellar exploration. Celestron telescopes. Eyepiece. Know your eyepiece. Changing the eyepiece on Celestron telescopes is a fairly simple process that does, however, require attention to detail. Certain optics accessory packages are not suitable with all models and series of optical equipment. The precision with which these additions to the inventory are manufactured makes it necessary for the operator to ensure the proper threading procedure is adhered to. If the optical accessory is not attached correctly, cross-threading can occur, damaging the ability of the telescope to incorporate other optic-enhancing components. With a little practice, the procedure of removing and replacing these types of attachments will become almost second nature. There are several different possibilities involved with filters and magnifications in conjunction with using camera mounting equipment that can double the enjoyment of the exploratory excursion. The eyepiece and filter kit chosen for Celestron telescopes depends solely on the type of scope they are being mounted on, as well as the effects the viewer wants to employ. Using magnifying optics can extend the range of the scope in relation to reaching deeper into space. They can also be used to explore objects in close orbit to the Earth, with greater detail and definition. Astrophotographers use a multitude of optical enhancing accessories when they are taking pictures of planets and galaxies in the vast universe beyond. The close-up pictures they are able to take of the surfaces of different planets are some of the sharpest and clearest images ever captured. When combined with specific filters, they are even able to capture solar flare activity on the surface of the Sun. Customers that are curious about the cosmos owe it to themselves to explore all opportunities associated with the hobby side of the field. Interplanetary exploration is not complete without the ability to see those objects that appear as tiny little holes in the fabric of the known universe. when accessories are being considered as optional purchases for Celestron telescopes, an eyepiece and filter kit is almost a requirement. Learning how to use them is a relatively simple process, and only increases the amount of pleasure the viewer is able to enjoy. The quality and clarity that these devices allow the operator to experience each and every time they use their equipment makes them one of the best supplements to the star-searching satchel.